Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. Today, my group and I would like to discuss about reading comprehension 2. The title of the text is The Reproductive System. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elgia Setiawati. In this group, there are Febrianti Dipa, Nur Inayah, Ginayatun Nafsi, and Nisrina Azahra. The first part is going to be explained by Febrianti Dipa.
Thank you, moderator. My name is Febrianti Divamolani. Now I try to explain about the reproductive system both in male and female. The reproductive system in female. The female reproductive system is composed of a pair of ovaries along with oviducts, vagina, cervix, uterus, and the external genitalia that are located in the pelvic region. These parts, along with a pair of mammary glands that are integrated both functionally and structurally, also support the process of ovulation, fertilization, birth, and finally the child care. The reproductive system in male. The male reproductive system includes testes, scrotum, spermatics, ducts, sex glands, and penis. All these organs work together to produce sperms, male gamete, and other components of semen. Penis and urethra are a part of reproductive and urinary system. Next, I try to explain about the main idea of the first paragraph. The main idea of the first paragraph is the reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. We can see in the first paragraph. Next, the main idea of the second paragraph is the major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. We can see in the first paragraph. Now I will return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Febrianti Dipa. The next part is going to be explained by Ginayatun Nafsi.
Thank you, moderators. My name is Ginayatun Nafsi. Now I'm trying to explain about the conclusion of the reproductive system. The reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organisms within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. The system of organs involved with the reproduction of an organism, especially sexual reproduction. It consists mainly of the ovaries, uterus, and vagina in females and the testes and penis and males. Within the contents of producing offspring, the reproductive system has four functions: the product egg and sperm cells, the transport and sustain the cells, the nurture the developing offspring, the produce hormones. I will return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Ginayatun Nafsi. Then we go into the material or the answer to the question in the text. The next part is going to be explained by Nur Inayah.
Okay, thank you, moderator. My name is Nurinaya. Now I try to answer question about the reproductive system. First question answer. What is a reproductive system? The reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organ within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. Next, question 2. Mention some important accessories to the reproductive system. The accessories to the reproductive system is fluid, hormones, and pheromone. Next, question 3. What does is refer to in sentence? Line 5, paragraph 1 is refer to sexual reproduction. Next, question 4. What is the major function of reproductive system? The major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. Next, question 5. Mention the other purpose of reproductive system. The reproductive system has 4 functions: to produce egg and sperm cell, to transfer and sustain cell, to nurture the developing offspring, to produce hormones. I switch to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Nur Inayah. The next part is going to be explained by Ginayatun Nafsi.
Thank you, moderators. Okay, I'm trying to explain about the vocabulary in the reproductive system. Here, I will mention the parts of the male and female reproductive system. And in the female reproductive system, that is ovary, urinary bladder, public symphysis, clitoris, urethra, vagina, orifice, vagina, labia majora, urinary bladder, public symphysis, penis, bulbourethral gland, urethra, testis, scrotum, epididymis, anus, prostate gland, vas deferens, rectum, seminal vesicle. Thank you.
Thank you, Ginayatun Nafsi. The next part is going to be explained by Nisrina Azahra.
Okay, thank you, moderator. My name is Nisrina Azahra. Now I will explain the last material how reproductive system works. The male reproductive system consists of 2 major parts: the testes, where sperma reproduce enzymes according to Merck manual. The penis and utera belong to both the urinary and reproductive system. In male, the testes are created an external pouch known as the scrotum, where they normally remain slightly cooler the body temperature to facilitate sperma production. The external structure of the female reproductive system include the clitoris, labia minora, labia majora, and Bartholin gland. According to the Cleveland Clinic, the major internal organ of the female reproductive system include the vagina and uterus, with as the receptacle from semen, and the ovaries, which fronts the female ova. The vagina is attached hand to the uterus through the cervix, while the fallopian tube connect the uterus to the ovaries in response to hormonal change. One ovum or egg or more in the case of multiple is released and sent down the fallopian tube during ovulation. If not fertilized, this egg is okay. I will return into the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nisrina Azahra. The discussion has been finished. If there is a word, we apologize profusely. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.